Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI 12S Ultra to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to select exactly the same options on both smartphones. First of all, I agree. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. Now on the other one. I agree. Confirm. Continue. Allow. In this pop-up though, you can click on Not Now if you want to, then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of XIAOMI and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll down to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to XIAOMI. You can select all of those categories at the top, and in those categories select those type of dots at the top left corners. This way you will select multiple files from your category. If you don't want to do that, you can always just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. Finally, when you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to connect using this QR code, tap on the scanning icon located next to Input key on an Android. In the pop-up, select while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input 6-digit key instead by tapping on Input key section, typing in all of those numbers from XIAOMI, and hitting Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!